Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get maximum volume on your Nintendo Switch. So if you look on the top of the Switch, we do have a plus or minus icon up here by the power button that we can press to adjust the volume. Just press the plus icon and then you can go to the max volume on here. But there's another way that we can get it to be even louder. So another way that we can just, if we hold down the home button right here, we have the quick settings menu, and we can go down to sound right here, and we can adjust this to the left or the right. But let's go to the system settings right now, right here. Select this, and we're looking for a specific setting that will allow us to listen to our headphones when it is beyond the maximum volume range. So let's go down to system and go to the right, and we are looking for this setting. So this will be Lower Max Headphone Volume. So if this is on, we want to go ahead and turn it off. It says set a maximum volume for headphones or speakers connected to the Switch. So if your headphones aren't loud enough, go ahead and turn off this setting right here, and you'll be able to hear even louder now. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.